Hi students, I am Mrs. R. Ambigeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, let's see the definition of tragedy of fate. The tragedy of fate is a syllabus which has been prescribed for BA English students who come under University of Madras syllabus. Tragedies in literature aren't just sad stories. Tragedy is a specific form that was made popular by Greeks and given definition by the philosopher Aristotle. Both fate and character can contribute to the fall of a tragic hero, though some tragedies focus on one more than the other one. Now let's see the definition of tragedy according to Aristotle. Aristotle defines tragedy as having 6 elements. It must imitate reality, concern an action that has serious implications, have a complete narrative arc, include appropriate language such as chorus for a play, show the story through action rather than narration, and include catharsis of some kind. Tragedies also include a tragic hero who suffers a downfall because of a character flaw or a moral failing. Fate versus character. Though the tragic hero is brought down by some deficiency in character, fate often plays a role in the downfall, especially in the Greek tragedies. The tragic hero usually tries to outwit fate, with his character flaw being his pride in thinking that outwitting fate is possible. Therefore, tragedies of fate are usually focused on a moral message about not trying to outrun destiny. Tragedies of character minimize the role of a fate and focus instead on human choice and moral accountability. Now let's see what is the tragedy of fate. Many examples of tragedy of fate can be found in classic literature. Oedipus the king is one of the most often cited examples. In this play by Sophocles, an oracle tells Oedipus that he will murder his father and marry his mother. He tries to outwit fate by leaving his home and the people he believes to be his parents. He doesn't know he was adopted. During his travels, Oedipus kills a man who turns out to be his biological father, then marries a woman who turns out to be his biological mother. His mother hangs herself when she learns the truth, and Oedipus blinds himself. In the same way, in Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet are said to be brought together by fate, yet their feuding families keep them apart. The price of this human pettiness is the death of the young lovers. Now, the tragedy of character. Because of a character is often linked to fate in a narrative, scholars often debate whether a story is a true tragedy of a character. For instance, Macbeth by William Shakespeare can be considered a tragedy of character because Macbeth becomes blinded by his ambition and allows his wife to persuade him to commit an evil act, leading to his own eventual downfall. The witches told Macbeth he would be king, but his descendants would not be. So the story includes an element of a hero trying to work against fate. In the same way, in Death of a Salesman by Arthur Miller, Willy Loman is a proud man who can't bear the reality of his own failure, and his flaw cost him his family and his life. Though Loman is not a nobleman or a king like most tragic heroes, the play has many elements of a tragic or the tragedy of character. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.